We're happy, good people of the internet. I hope you're marvelously well. Welcome to another tutorial. And I've been going through the comment section, and you guys are amazing. Yeah, very much amazing. You're giving me the vibe to make more of these videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. I've read all the comments, and wow, mashallah. I also hope you've been practicing. Yeah, practice and invite others to this channel. Let them watch the videos, subscribe, and drop their comments. And in case you want me to show you something in AFL Studio, you can also drop it in the comment. I'll try as much as possible to make that tutorial for you. Let's dive into AFL Studio, and we're going to make an Afrobeat instrumental. And we shall begin with the drum kit, and we're going to start with the rim. We're going to choose a soft rim from a sound pack called Mboze. Yeah, when making an Afrobeat, you have to choose a rim that is soft. Already bringing some vibes, yeah. uh, hmm, let's. Eh. So now, guys, that we have a fire drum kit, it's time to layer some chords. So let's add sky keys and get some chords. In layering the chords, we are going to start with the root notes, and then we're going to build the chords on top of the root notes. So we have some nice chords layered. It's time to randomize those notes so that they sound as though they were played live. And to do that, you press alternate R on your keyboard. It's time now we add some instruments. Let's add some guitar from Flex Essential Guitars. So let's change the last like we, we raise the velocity. So let's take this to the mixer channel so that we can add some effects. Yeah, we can add some mallets and give it some vibe. So it's time we bring in the bass now. Let's put some. Our instrumental is good, it's fire. I love the vibe, I love the energy. And I feel like we can start to create a full instrumental, arrange it into a song. However, I feel like I can also add something from arcade. Yeah, there's a certain vocal there. If we add it, it could make this beat fire. So let me do that quick first.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You just want it all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You just want it all.
Yeah, on these vocals, we can add some effects. So, guys, we have a fire instrumental, and I love the vibe. Yeah, I love what we've created. So, I'm going off camera, arrange the instrumental for you. I'm going to add some rollings to give it that vibe and that spike. Enjoy. Yeah, so guys, I've been off camera. I've arranged the beat. I've added some reverb on our mallet. I've also added some rollings on our instrumental to give it some vibe. So now let's listen to the beat. Enjoy.